What's up, guys? So I have taken a break the past few days, the past few weeks, practicing paper trading a little bit. So here's my first trade since I'm back. I get in at CARA. My entry is about 8.5. I really need to work on that using limit orders because I used a market order with this one. My logic behind this trade was that it reversed and broke the VWAP, and they do say that when it reverses and breaks the VWAP, you have a 90% chance of continuing in that direction. So that's what I did. It popped up, and made me really nervous for a little bit. I was down about $80, but I didn't panic. I stayed in it. I think one of my biggest mistakes previously was setting way too tight of stops. And so I just held and tried to let the trade work for me. So it pops up. I think it popped up to about 863. It continues to fall back down right around to break even to 850 mark. And the trade ended up working out for me. I held it, let the trade work, and that's definitely something I needed to work on. So I'm happy that I did with this trade. So, like I said, it broke the VWAP on a reversal. It continued to go down, but it popped back up to try to squeeze me out of the trade. Previously when I was trading, I lost, $300 or $400. I had to stop and say, look, I need to practice a little bit more. I did not want to blow up my account, and so, I practiced a little bit more, and this was my first trade when I was back, so I'm glad it was, it worked out for me. So it starts to go back to around 8.5. You'll see this a lot at half and whole dollar marks. As soon as it breaks that half dollar mark like it just did, it shoots down, and it ends up working out. So so right here, I didn't know whether to just break even and be happy that I didn't take that $80 loss, or just to continue to hold for it. I decided to hold, because usually when it breaks a half dollar mark or a whole dollar mark, it it won't just pop right above it. Very often it does happen. So anyways, it starts to shoot back down around the 830s, and to be honest, as soon as I looked at my my profit, then that's when I started considering getting out, and that's what I did right here. I got out for a $80 profit. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you want to see more like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.